How to compost at home. Did you know your food scraps can become amazing soil instead of trash? Let me show you how to compost. It's simple. Step 1, pick a spot. A dry area with a little shade works best. Somewhere easy to reach so composting becomes a habit. Step 2, browns and greens. Compost needs two things: browns like dry leaves, cardboard, or paper; greens like fruit scraps, veggie peels, or grass clippings. Layer them like lasagna: browns, then greens, then browns again. Step 3, water and air. Your compost should feel like a wrung out sponge, damp, not soaking. Turn it every couple of weeks to give it air. That's what helps it break down faster. Step for what not to compost. Skip meat, dairy, oily foods, and pet waste. These can smell bad and attract pests, which is not fun. Step 5, finished compost. In a few months, you'll have dark, crumbly compost, perfect for gardens, plants, and flowers. Composting reduces waste, helps your plants, and supports the planet. Save this video and give it a try. Please like my video and subscribe for more gardening tips. Barks and blooms.